Welcome to Shukmar classes. Now I am covering the topic of trial balance. What is this trial balance? It is a statement prepared at any time in the year to know the arithmetical accuracy of preparation of the ledger, whether the prepared ledger is correct or wrong. To know the value of the prepared ledger, is it prepared into the perfectly? Checking of that one, it is called as the trial balance. Yes, this trial balance is prepared in the format of debit and credit. Some entries will appear into debit and some entries will appear into the credit. How that entries will appear into the debit and credit? Let us assume that debit, credit. What entries will appear into debit? All that you try to keep in remembrance. All asset will have the debit and all liabilities will have the credit balance. Next one is debit all expenses, credit all incomes. In the same manner, debit all losses, credit all gains. Debit purchase, credit sales. Yes, this is the way we should remember that one. So the preparation of trial balance, the entries which is given in the problem will appear in debit and credit column. Which entries will appear into debit? Asset will appear in debit, opposite liabilities will appear in credit. Debit all expenses, credit all income. Debit all losses, credit all gains. Debit all purchase, credit all sales. And in the same manner, in debit we will record sales return, in credit we will record purchase return. Yes, based on this idea we should record the following informations. It's given with 10 simple entries. Capital will appear into the credit side and drawings will appear it is into the debit side. Drawings means that the withdrawings are made from the capital. Debtors is an asset. The asset will appear into debit. Creditor is the liabilities. It will appear into credit. Bills receivable is an asset. It will appear into debit. Bills payable is a liabilities. It will appear into credit. Purchase is an expenses. It will appear into debit. And sales is an income. It will appear into credit. And purchase return opposite to the purchase side it will appear. Therefore purchase return is in credit, sales return it is in debit. Now the same entries what I written, to make it is convenient of working out, I have made it into the another copy. Let us see and write and come. Now the very first one, you please see that which I am marking here. Capital, the amount is 1 lakh. That should appear into credit column, rupees 1 lakh. Yes. After capital, the second entry you can see here which I am marking here, drawings, amount 5,000. The drawings amount 5,000 should appear into debit column. Yes. See the third entry. The third entry here it is debtors. The debtors amounts to rupees, it amounts to rupees 75,000. After debtors, you can see that the fourth entry. What is that fourth entry is there? Creditors, amount 20,000 should appear in credit column. Yes. The fifth one, it is the bills receivable. The amount is 80,000. Bills receivable. The amount is 80,000. Credit column dash. After bills receivable, the next item is bills payable. The amount is 10,000. Should appear into credit column. Next, purchase expenses debit will appear into debit column. Purchase 1,60,000 dash. After purchase, what is the next entry is here? Sales. The amount is 2 lakhs. That should appear into credit column dash. Credit column 2 lakhs rupees. After sales, what is next one is purchase return. Amount is 8,000. Purchase return amount is credit column 8,000. And last one is the sales return debit column 18,000. Debit column rupees 18,000. Now we have to total up all this. 1 lakh, 1,20,000, 1,30,000, 3,30,000, 3,38,000. Yes, in the same manner it is 75 plus 5, 80, 80 plus 80, 160, 160 plus 160, 3,20,000 plus 18,000, 3,38,000. Yes, this trial balance are prepared. It is on 31st March of which year we are preparing, that year we need to prepare. That's it about this trial balance. If you want, you can take the screenshot. Thank you very much for watching this channel. Please share, subscribe and press bell icon button and like the videos.